Chicken and mushroom goes really well together, and I'm going to show you how to do a chicken and mushroom pie. For this recipe, I'm using 500 grams chicken breast diced and diced mushrooms, about 250 grams, two stalks celery sliced, and one white part of the leek, and few cloves of garlic chopped, one onion, about a quarter bunch of fresh parsley, 2 tablespoons plain flour, salt, pepper, and some stock powder to your taste, and some milk, about 500 milliliters. So let's start doing this. Very simple and easy. Into a pot, add about a tablespoon or two margarine or butter, and into that, add the garlic and then the onion. Stir fry. After, add the chicken into it. Stir fry, adding the salt, pepper, and the stock powder. Stir fry about 5 minutes until the chicken is half cooked. Once the chicken is halfway cooked, add all the other vegetables and the mushrooms and cook another 5 minutes. At this point, I am not going to add any liquid. The chicken and the vegetable has enough liquids. So I'm going to close the lid and cook another 3-4 minutes before I add the liquids. After a few minutes of cooking, it will be like this. So I'm going to add 2 tablespoons plain flour and cook with it. After, add the milk. Cook another 2 minutes and it's done. Don't overcook this, and don't forget that it cooks back again in the oven. The sauce is thick and now it is ready. So let's take it out. You can do it in 2 ways. This is quicker. If you have a pie maker, you can use the pie maker or use a large whole muffin pan and it will do the same job. So now take the puff paste sheets. If you are using the pie maker, it comes with the cutter too. So let's do both ways. So the larger size for the base and take the base out. And the smaller size is for the top. So I have two, one for the base and one for the top. When you use the pie maker, the waste is really low. So this base is just enough for the muffin pan too. So you put it in like this. So it's easy when you have cuts around too. If not, you need to cut around the circle that you are making and put it in. And I would like to spray it before. The cuts overlap each other. And now take a spoonful of the mix and put it into the middle. You can put a bit onto the top. It's not eating the pastry that you can eat lots of chicken too. So cover with the top. And this is how to do in the muffin pan. So let's do in the pie maker. So take the base. So put it in, press, and put the filling in. When you do it in the pie maker, you need to stretch it around so it gives that nice seal to it. And now cover the top. And the other one too. So you don't need to seal it. It will seal automatically. So cover and cook it in the pie maker. The other way is you can use foil cups like this and do the pies too. Now they are ready to go to the oven, 200 Celsius, about 20 minutes or until the pastry is well cooked. I just took them out from the oven and this is how it is. This is really hot that I can't touch at the moment. So if you take it out, it will look like this. It's like a traditional meat pie. And these ones from the pie maker, they are a bit cold to handle. So if I cut, and this is how it is. It's nice and creamy and very tasty. And this is a really good idea to make them ahead and bake whenever you want. You can freeze them without baking or after baking. If you bake it and freeze it, you can leave it in the freezer about 3 months. And whenever you want, you can thaw them directly and put them in the oven. Hope you will enjoy. See you next time.